Hi dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Deeps Arena. Today we are discussing about Sociology Lesson 3 from Plus 2 Social Institutions, Continuity and Change. Let's learn the first topic, caste and caste system. Caste is an ancient social institution. It has been an integral part of Indian history and culture for thousands of years. Caste is also exists as a part of the contemporary Indian society. Of these two castes, one is the caste of India's past and the other is the caste of India's present. Is these two castes the same thing? What are the changes occurred in caste system from time to time? These are the questions that we will try to answer in this section. Caste is a unique institution found in the Indian subcontinent. The exact form of caste cannot be found nowhere in the world. Caste is a basic institution of Hindu society. However, this institution is not confined to Hindus alone. It has spread to the major non-Hindu communities of the Indian subcontinent. It can be found among Muslims, Christians, and Sikhs. The English word caste is originated from Portuguese term casta, which means pure breed. Caste is an institutional arrangement. In Indian languages, this institution is referred to by two distinct terms, Varna and Jati. The terms Varna and Jati are often used as synonyms, but actually they have different meanings. Varna is a Sanskrit word. It literally means color. The Varna system originated in the Vedic period. The Vedic society was divided into four categories: Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. Varna is the name given to this fourfold division of society. A significant section of the population is not included in the Varna system. Outcasts, foreigners, slaves, conquered peoples, and many others were excluded from this system. These excluded sections were called the Panchamas or fifth category. Jati is a general term referring to species or kinds of anything. It refers to inanimate objects as well as plants, animals, and human beings. In Indian languages, the word Jati commonly used to refer to the institution of caste. The precise relationship between Varna and Jati has been a subject of debate among scholars. There are many speculations about the relationship between these two systems. Varna is an all India system. It can be seen everywhere in India. In other words, the four Varna classification is common to all of India. On the other hand, Jati is a regional or local institution. Jatis found in one region of India may not be found in another region. In other words, we can say that the Jati hierarchy is regional in character. They vary from region to region. An important difference between Varna and Jati is found in the number. There are only four Varnas. On the other hand, there are thousands of castes and subcastes. Therefore, Jati system is a highly complex one. There are also different opinions about the exact age of the caste system. It is generally agreed that the fourfold Varna system came into existence around 3000 years ago. However, The caste system existed in different forms at different time periods. Therefore, it is difficult to believe that same system has been continuing for 3000 years. The caste system originated in the late Vedic period, roughly between 900 to 500 BC. In the earliest phase, caste system was really a Varna system consisting of only 4 major divisions. These divisions were not very elaborate or very rigid. They were not determined by birth. Movement from one caste to another was permitted, and it was quite common. The caste system underwent great changes in the post-Vedic period. The caste became a rigid institution during this